Solomon Education Center specializes in English test prep in particular, IELTS training, and for over decades in Canada by a team of professors and TESOL experts, serving international students, immigrants, and all trades of men from all over the world for academic, career, and business purposes. IELTS has become a world standard test of English proficiency for people of all trades, schools, and industries whose native languages are other than English and who are entering the English-speaking world for any purpose. For personal needs in professional lives, business, world, and academic careers, we all need IELTS to open the doors to achieve different goals for success.
Learning English is a long-time process of accumulating language knowledge in different developmental stages and constant practice of the skills for which it should become your daily habit. However, life doesn't stop, as you can put many things on hold. How many of us could really make constant effort without losing your daily focus on the priority of life? Gain and lose can have both. It is always a pain. Things such as preparing for a language test or to do the essay writing. So it becomes a near fairy tale and many years of painstaking job to balance our lives. Therefore, many end up struggling on and off. Or how many of you have to reduce your standard or spend thousands of dollars working days and nights, laying down to make a breakthrough, and still not achieved fully of what you deserved? I'm totally with you. But now, I have pure, simple good news to tell you. If you stay with me, watch this video first, then your intuition will tell you if you take our courses. And so far, I'm eager to release them to online math, the innovative methods, techniques, discoveries, and formulas that you have never heard. Many are new to the marketplace.
Let's meet one of our awesome team members who created this course, Grace Solomon. She has written several books upon publication of her own poetry and has an MA in Education and TESOL, minor in Foreign Language Teaching, and an MBA, as well as several other certificates from the US.
It is designed for anyone at any level to achieve the result of raising a 2 more band score higher possible from his or her original levels. Here is a random cluster of some of our course element highlights. The approaches and steps are illustrated for your better understanding and pleasant learning music. Methodologies, do and don't lists, comparisons, demo and lists, homework instructions, teacher's evaluation, and remarks. There are bonus gifts to come.
More series of systematic courses will come soon.
Most people think that academic stuff such as essay writing is hard. However, in terms of styles, literature works have many, while essay style is only one way, that is, the facts talk, which in fact is much easier than any of artistic approaches such as prose, poetry, novel, drama, and plays. Strong claim and factual support works with our backbone mechanism to guide you through. The beauty lies in its logics and its effectiveness. Being straightforward is always easy. An official way is always effective too. In this course, you will get acquainted with different essay dimensions and layers to create a synthesized product. It takes vision, insights, and sets of skills to convey what you want to express as beautifully as possible so that you can put your brilliant ideas in the essay and write your soul with hearted enjoyment to attack the prevailing problems and unresolved issues in today's market. Based on our studies of learning curves, as well as taking into serious consideration of cultural factors and linguistic characteristics, watch this video. This is my questions for essay exam takers. What will you learn in this course? The following are part of our course curriculum. It is for writing a simple but high-scored essay with all perfect essay parts. You'll be able to use a backbone system that allows you to spend only 35% of effort to achieve a 70% of work fast and without complication and mistakes. You should be able to write each part of thesis statement that can be repeatedly used for high score to connect and control all essay paragraphs. You should learn skills of organizing all dimensions and layers of an essay and write different natures of sentences using tactics, strategies, methods, formulas, and templates. You will know why and how to use different essay elements in each paragraph and compare similarity and differences. And make your essay a mature debate with powerful proof as a weapon in the battlefields. You'll gain high scores by replacing common mistakes with powerful but straightforward functional sentences. You'll correct misconception and not roughly end the essay by mere summary of your points, but use paraphrasing skills to deepen your essay. You can write quite fast in one breath from beginning to the end, one item followed by the other, like a chain with handles for each step. You'll never have to worry about time pressure, not even word count, using our essay function filling. Even the beginners can use these mechanisms to improve dramatically up to 2 band scores, say from 5 to 7 or 7 to 9. In our course series, we deal with approaches and big structures first, then applied dimensional mechanisms and vertical functions to attack an essay. From language skills such as word choices, grammatical accuracy, variety of sentence patterns, to coherent paragraphs. As well as transitional rhetorical devices for essay layout and body organizations. This reflects not only writing skills, but also mentality, ideology, and cultural influence, and more. To name just a few for your thorough mastery and easy use. We make all this possible for our students in different situations and have seen miracles happen and dreams came true, and we have confidence in you. Thank you.
Best luck to you all. I hope you enjoy this course and achieve your dream score for your future success.